I got a man now. I heard you a fan now. Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since you guys got a haul, and I know y'all been looking forward to the hauls, but I was getting out, you know, some other content that was necessary to do because I'm trying to do it in order as I guess I received the content, you know, to keep it fair for the companies and, you know, myself. So as you can see, I have a lot of clothes here. Let me let y'all see. I don't care, it might be unprofessional, but let me let y'all see. Okay, that's a double garment rack full of clothes, full of content for y'all. Now I can't get the camera back right. All right, so this is a Romwe try on haul. But before we get started, really quick, this is featuring Donmily Brazilian curly hair. I have currently installed, I actually been wearing this hair for like a week or two, and that's very I don't really do that often. I don't really wear my wigs for that long, honestly, because I do reviews back to back to back, so it's like new wig, new wig, new wig, or natural hair. So yeah, you know, I'm not used to wearing the same unit for a long time, but I really do like this hair. This is the Brazilian curly. I have in about 2.5 to 3 22-inch bundles, and then I have a 20-inch closure. As you can see, this is after what, week and a half, 2 weeks of wear and tear going on. So it still looks really good. I haven't done the Hawaiian silky. You know, I told you guys, you know, I detangle and stuff with Hawaiian silky. I honestly just spray it with my water bottle every day and keep it moving, and I haven't found the need to actually have to use my Hawaiian silky yet. So I will say, as I've been wearing it, you know, up here has been getting a little, well, getting a lot shiny because I put holding spray and edge control. So to counteract that, I would just, you know, wash that out. But once I wash it, it's like washing off the foundation underneath the lace that I used to blend it. So whatever. Like I said, this is featuring Romwe. The links to this hair will be down below, as I'm about to say as long, along with the links to the items that I'm trying on. And now I have hair in my face. I'm gonna get into this first top. This is the only, well, this is not the only one that didn't fit, but it's the one I didn't try on at all. So it's just this crop top, and it's a turtleneck crop top, but it's not as stretchy as I thought it would be. So I didn't even bother trying to put it on because I felt like it was going to probably snatch my wig and my makeup off. So I did not try this on, and I don't know what size I got it in, but of course that'll be on the screen. It says 3XL, so yeah, it's just not the right material, and I've came across that problem with some more tops. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing I'm currently wearing, and it's this off the shoulder. You'll see it more in the try on portion. But it's this off the shoulder top. Reminds me of the FN Smocker Slay top. I had both colors in black and white, but the reason I didn't like those tops is because the arms were separated from, I guess, the torso, the torso of the shirt. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm not really feeling that because it just gives you an unnecessary pudge in your arms and in your back fat. But this is a type of top that I like. You know, I like the rufflies that we have going on, but because, you know, I think this is probably not my correct size. I think it's probably like an extra large or something. I don't really remember, but it'll be on the screen. You don't really get that ruffly effect that you're supposed to get. But other than that, I think it's a really cute top. I would wear, definitely wear a bra up under it because it's not super opaque. And yeah, so that's this top right here. And I do like it because the arms are connected. So this is the one that I decided to keep. So the next thing, I guess I will go in order as it's hung up. So the next thing is this super duper long navy and gold, I guess I would call it a duster. It's probably called a kimono on the website, and I really like this because I just felt like royalty in it. Like, I don't know why, but I felt like royalty. It's just really long and dramatic, and the work on it, it's done really nicely. You have some loose threads in it, but other than that, it's done really nicely. And I think it's beading and gold thread, but it looks really nice. It looks more expensive than, I think it was like $30, but it looks upscale. you know, getting it from Romwe. And I actually came across some really good quality clothes on the website, and I didn't really expect it, and I know that's bad to say, but hey. So the next thing is this, now this is a 0XL, so I kind of knew I was taking my chances with this one right here, but I thought it was a sweater so it would, you know, stretch and conform to my body. But in the sleeve underarm area, it was a little tight, and then it didn't wrap around, you know, like a sweater should. So I kind of was like, yeah, nah, this ain't for me. But it's really nice. I like the color blocking. I like the palette. I think with some gray, nude, or even black booties that this would be really, really cute. So yeah, nonetheless, I do like the sweater. It just wasn't big enough. So then I have this top right here. I absolutely love this top. It's like the I don't really know how to explain it, but it's off the shoulders. It has this nice dramatic, like I would consider it as like a soft bell sleeve, because it does flare out, but you have to have your arm in a certain position, because if your arms are by your side, it doesn't really look like it flares. But I like the fit of this. It's really flattering around the stomach area. It's really long, so it covers my butt, I believe. We'll see on the video. And then I just like the off the shoulder detail. It's really basic, a nice white and black contrast. But yeah, I really like this shirt, and it's I feel like the off the shoulder part will probably rise up a little bit sometimes and get on your nerves, but other than that, it's a really cute shirt. So I think with a pair of sandals, because spring is coming, I feel it in the air, this will be really cute. And a basic outfit, you know, definitely for me, just to go to class. And this top right here, it really let me down. I absolutely love this top, and for some reason I got 3 black and white tops, and I didn't expect, I don't know, it wasn't planned. So this is like a half casual, half business shirt. That's what I called it. So the top is like a black stretchy fabric, and then the bottom is like a black, not black, but white dress shirt material and dress shirt style. And that's on the sleeves as well, with the button at the cuff. But the only thing is, the stretchy part was great. It was awesome. Off shoulder, cool. But the business part was like a business shirt, you know, no stretch, just really structured. So I like the contrast in the materials. I like the contrast in the colors, and the styles merged together, but it just didn't work for my body shape, because my hips and, you know, stuff like that, it just didn't work. It was really tight around the stomach and hip part, and the back, it didn't even come down. So yeah, this shirt is a no, but I love the style of it. Now I think someone who's maybe a 1X could definitely rock this shirt the way it's supposed to be rocked, because it's not supposed to be tight fitting. It's supposed to be, you know, casual and loose. So this next top right here, I love this top. I've loved velvet since the trend became popular and probably before then. So I remember when I was a child, I had this corduroy velvet 2-piece outfit that was burgundy, and I begged my mom to wear it all the time to school. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It's just a plain crop top, but I love the stretch in this material. It's really, and this is a 3X as well. See, so this 3X green velvet stretch crop top works, but that black turtleneck crop didn't work. So that's why the sizing is a little bit tricky. So make sure you check the material, and make sure you check the size guides underneath each outfit, or in their descriptions. That's the word I was looking for. But anyways, I really like this top. I love the color. I love the fit. It fits like a tight, you know, crop top. You know, it's not supposed to be loosey-goosey. It's a sexy, you know, stretch velvet shirt. So these last 2 tops let me down. They let me down. But this top, I feel like, has potential to be more than just a top. You can wrap it around your waist and, you know, do that little style. Or you can use it as like a layering piece. Like wear a cute little lacy black bralette underneath, or plain black bralette or crop top underneath. And then maybe some black jeans or white jeans. And some sneakers, or if you're into heels, you know, you can dress it up. But I just feel like as a shirt, this would have been really nice with a nice red lip. But yeah, it's definitely, it has potential to be more than just a button-up shirt. It can be just a outerwear shirt, I guess. I don't really know what to call it. So then this last shirt is this, I love this color, this shade of green. But it's this green or olive button up, and the material is stretchy. I will give them that. The material is made really well. It comes with a belt. I love the detail at the bottom. It's like a scalloped hem. I think that's what they call it on the website. And it's like high on the sides and low in the back and the front. So I love the shape of the shirt, and it's really flattering. And I know a lot of people don't really like to show their butts and stuff like that. So for those who like to cover up their butts, this would be the perfect length shirt. But yeah, it just didn't fit as I wanted it to fit. It didn't fit well in the button up area. You can see the gapping and stuff like that. And then it's supposed to be a flowy, loose shirt, and it just wasn't that. So yeah, this one didn't work for me, but it's so nice. And again, maybe someone who's a 1X, 2X could fit this perfectly, but it did not work for me. And I love this so much on the model. So thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed. Again, this is Donmily Hair. You will be seeing me rocking this hair in the next try on haul as well. And then I'm going to switch it up a little bit because I have some other hair reviews and, you know, stuff like that to do. So I won't be wearing this. I won't look the same as far as hair and tops because I know I record so much in one day. So it's just like, boom, I'm looking the same in every haul. But I'm sorry. You getting the content though. You getting these bomb ass clothes though. So yeah, this is about 6 more hauls to do for you guys, maybe 7. Some over there on the couch, some in the room on the bin. You know, it's just a lot to get out there. And I'm very happy to be back, y'all. So again, thank you for joining. This is Donmily Hair, Brazilian Curly. And this was featuring a few items from Romwe. And I hope you enjoyed.